In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get your own WhatsApp link and start a chat instantly. Whether you use an Android or iPhone device, it is the same. Whether you want to share your WhatsApp link for quick messaging or just make it easier for people to contact you, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. Stick around. It's super simple and will only take a couple of minutes. First, open WhatsApp on your Android or iPhone device and make sure you're logged into your account. All you have to do is open a conversation with a person with whom you would like to share your link. Now, to create your WhatsApp link, it's super easy. WhatsApp has a built-in link generator. All you need is to type the base URL that I will show on the screen. You should follow this base URL with your phone number in the international format. For example, if your number is based in the US, it would look like this: https://wa.me1-234-56-7890, without any symbols or spaces. With your personalized link, you can share it on social media, in a message, or on your website. When someone clicks on this link, it instantly launches a WhatsApp chat with you, eliminating the need for them to manually enter your number. If you want to make the link even more convenient, you can add a pre-filled message to it, which can help you to refine the conversation between you and another person. Just add this to the end of your URL. $text, then your message. If your template message contains multiple words, use %20 to make a space in between the words. I will now show on the screen the example format. For example, if I want to create a message that says, "Hello there," here's how to type it. When someone clicks it, the chat will open with that message already filled in, making it super easy to kick off a conversation. They can message you, send media, and even make voice or video calls. Easy, right? And that's it. Now you know how to get your own WhatsApp link and begin a chat instantly. It's an incredibly handy feature, whether you're using it for personal or business reasons. You can simplify your contact information in a few steps, and it works on mobile and desktop too. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe for more easy app tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.